Welcome to ANKA tanker truck production workshop. Here, every tanker truck undergoes strict material selection, precision manufacturing, and multiple instruction, or to ensure safer and more reliable transportation performance. We have always complied this principle. The tank body is made of high-strength carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminum alloy that meets international standards. The plates are welded by automatic welding equipment, resulting in uniform welds without porosity or slag inclusions. Plasma cutting ensures a flat cutting surface and minimizes errors. Automatic plate rolling machine form the tank in one stack, giving it greater advantage in terms of consistency and stability. An internal baffle is installed to reduce the impact of liquid during operations. The end caps are pressed using a hydraulic barging process, resulting in accurate dimensions and a smooth surface. Then, it is automatically welded to tank body, resulting in neat, beautiful, and strong welds. Applying an anti-rust primer to the metal surface provides basic protection for long-term use. The sub-beams, bumpers, toolboxes, and other structural components are formed using laser cutting and bending process, resulting in stable strength and a clean appearance. All valves and pipes undergo strict testing to ensure reliable system operations. We can match suitable chassis configuration according to customer needs. The tank, pipes, and all accessories are installed according to the drawings. The use of bodied connections enhances the overall consistency and ease of maintenance of the vehicle. Standard features of the vehicle: emergency shut-off valve, oil and gas recovery system, bottom filling port, European standard tank opening, the static dissipating cable rail, as well as the top anti-slip walkway and guardrail. Optional features available upon request: equipment such as flow meter, fuel dispenser, and level gauges. Our independent painting workshop allows customers to customize the appearance and logo. ANKA Truck provides reliable fuel transportation solutions to users worldwide through strength, safety, and meticulous craftsmanship. We're looking forward to operating with you.